What's going on, y'all? It's Turning Them Wheels. Today we're playing Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands on Xbox One. We're going to be driving these little dirt bikes. I'm pretty sure they're like 4 strokes. We'll be driving these, seeing what we can go up to. Hopefully we don't get shot at by no enemies. We just got done with a little firefight, and this little car blew up here. It's causing a big traffic jam on this dirt road. But we took care of all the enemies, so that's always good. We have a place to free roam. And it just started raining, so hopefully we don't get stuck or nothing. Not too sure if it'll affect these dirt bikes at all. It shouldn't. So we can drive through this little creek. Oh, heck no. I did not do that very good. See if I can fix that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're getting done climbing up this little hill. Game's shaking and stuff. It's a little weird. Never had that happen before. See if we can get down this with ease. I almost got myself in a predicament right here. The bad thing about a dirt bike is it's one-wheel drive. If that rear tire don't get no traction, you are screwed. I know I saw a video on the internet of a 2-wheel drive dirt bike. It's kind of cool, but nobody really makes that. I think it was a custom one. I'm curious of how that one would drive and ride. Anyways, we'll continue on this little off-road little expedition. There we go. Ooh. Not too sure if we can climb that. We'll let him try. Let's head down the block. Oh. I drove myself down to the creek. Let's drive up on that. Get to the bump. Might not be. There we go. I think I can go back up. So the game's kind of glitching right here. There we go. Now I'm out. I'll try to spin back around. See if I can get back up there. Where Planet 4x4 is going. There we go. Now we're back up there. I wonder if I can get up this little spot. Oh, I can't make that turn. But he might be able to. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I can though. I can get it spun back around. And there we go. See if I can get enough traction. No, I think it's too steep for these dirt bikes. I don't think they have enough power. Yeah, I don't think they do. They just don't have enough power. No bueno. No, because I got right up there and I was going to get on that little cliff. On the edge. It's just not possible. The way they did the physics in the game. The only way to get down is to go in that little middle creek. To go up over this. No, that's a dead end. It's all basically a dead end unless we go back to where we just came from. This is what it's looking like. But we're going to explore our possibilities. The dirt bike don't have a reverse gear, so you basically just have to walk it off. Stuck again. It's like a wheelie up over it. I'm having all kind of trouble. The game is glitching out because it doesn't know where I'm trying to go. There we go. I can go up over the top. Dirt bikes are fun in real life, but I'm more of a puller type of guy. You got 4 tires and less chance of getting into stuff. Oh, there we go. Came down from that. Ooh. I'm basically hitting these little jumps at like 40. Oh yeah. For some reason, like I said, you won't fall off very easy on these. You can really do some damage. Birds flying around. This game actually has some wildlife like alpacas and birds, stuff like that. Go get a nice jump. Not hard to steer, but that camera are flying. Flying through little tractor ruts. I got stuck in the middle of the tree. Across that little creek. Now we're in the clear. Let's see what's up here. I think it's starting to get dark and it's raining. The weather ain't looking up too good. We probably took some damage hitting that little boulder. It's not a rock, it's more of a boulder. It's massive. I don't really see a damage meter. It just kind of really, if you damage the whole thing, it just breaks it down. You can actually drive these across the water, just they stall out after a while and go in the water. You can drive for a good bit though. You'd be surprised. Incline. Get up off of there. Starting to get pretty slick with the rain. Do not recommend off-roading while it's raining. You should either go before or go after, not during. Not very smart. And again, well, kind of fun. Back up. There we go. Get up off of there. Thing ain't got a lot of power going up this hill. Honestly, not that steep. It's not straight up. Kind of an angled hill. So I drove right into the creek. Try to do a bunny hop or a wheelie to get over this. There we go. Now we're over it. Hitting these jumps like it ain't nothing. Trying to wheelie over it. Oh. Okay, guys, I got killed in action because I drove way too fast off that little hill. I would not recommend driving that fast. So I would recommend driving slower, taking the easy way down. So we'll have to see if my friend's playing the 4x4. We'll have to see if he wrecked or if he continued on the trail. It wasn't really a trail, it was more of a drive down the hill and try to find a good way down. So it looks like he died too. Alright, so that'll conclude today's video. Let us know how you do driving the dirt bikes on this game. They do drive a little weird, but they're kind of fun. Yeah, just let us know what type of other videos you want us to make, or any vehicles, stuff like that. Like, comment, subscribe, and just turn the wheels them out.